Hello, in this tutorial we're going to see how we can connect several simple 16 characters by 2 lines LCD display modules using only 2 wires on the Arduino. We're going to use the I2C protocol using the SCL and SDA pins. These are the modules. As you can see, they are regular 16 by 2 lines display modules, but they got disconnected on the back of them. If you want to connect the regular LCD module that you buy via AliExpress, eBay or other places, you need to connect a lot of pins. If you want to connect 2 modules, then you need to connect all of these pins to your Arduino. It takes a lot of time to connect them, and you need the Arduino to do other tasks than connecting the pins. We're going to stay out of available pins. Now what we are going to do is connect 2 modules and give them different addresses. How the addresses work: as you can see, you got 3 pins on the back of the I2C chip. The chip is a PCF 85740. We are going to review the datasheet later and review the different addresses if you play with these pins. If you short any of the pins or all of them in any combinations, you can connect up to 8 different modules with 8 different addresses that can display whatever you want. Pretty cool, don't you think? Let's reset the count. This one is amazingly going up, and this one amazingly is going down. You can play with the brightness with this potentiometer. A simple LCD module without this backplate costs about $1 and something, and this backplate costs about half a dollar or something like that. As you can see, this is how it appears when you buy it. A very cheap module. Get some. I usually get them via AliExpress. I'm simply using this breadboard to connect the SDA and SCL because your Arduino only got 2 pins for the I2C, and you need to split it up. You don't need to use any resistors or capacitors. Well, now let's go and review the address. Remember that if you leave A0, A1 or A2 unconnected, unbridged, it gives a logical 1. So this means that the address is 111. We're going to later see it in the datasheet. This is the most bottom address. Now on this plate, as you can see, I soldered A0. Let's see better. Yes, as you can see, this is soldered, while this is open. You can play with the addresses. Do keep in mind that if you want to use 8 displays, you need to give them 8 different addresses. Well, let's go over the datasheet. Well, here is the address part in the datasheets. As you can see, the relevant pins are A0, A1 and A2. The default value, meaning all the pins are open, meaning 111, the address is 27 hexadecimal in hexadecimal. As you can see in my demonstration, I shorted the pin A0. This means that the address goes down to 26. if I connect all the pins, I show them out, the address will be 20 hexa. This means that I can connect up to 8 different LCD modules and get a display. This chip is quite useful. As you can see, let's go to the upper part. It's a remote 8-bit I/O expander for I2C bus with interrupts. If you use only the chip without the entire board, you can expand your digital pins. Quite a useful chip. Play with it. It's very nice. Let's review the code for using that example. Let's review the code. As you can see, I'm using the Liquid Crystal I2C library. We need to declare the first module. This is with the address 27, the one that all the A0, A1 and A2 are not connected. And the second module with the address of 26 in hexadecimal, where I got the A0 shortened out. Next, I'm going to declare two variables. Then in the setup, I'm initializing the display, making both displays go to location 0, 0 in the first line and in the first character. Then I'm displaying a lot of spaces to erase whatever was written in that location before, displaying the value of A, 0, displaying the value of B. This is to the LCD number 2, this is to the LCD number 1, and writing afterwards, going up and going down, increasing A, decreasing B. If it reaches the limit, 0 them to these values. Very simple code. It's very easy to use these modules. You can add up to 8 of them. If you have more than 2 displays, you'd better use arrays than declare them as LCD1, LCD2 and LCD3. Good luck. Enjoy. Bye.